What if I told you one of Hitler's biggest threats wasn't a soldier, but a 21-year-old student with a typewriter? Her name was Sophie Scholl, a German girl who saw through Nazi lies. While others stayed silent, Sophie and her brother secretly printed leaflets exposing Hitler's regime. They called themselves the White Rose. Their words spread like wildfire across Germany, but the Gestapo was watching. On February 18, 1943, she was caught throwing anti-Nazi flyers off a balcony at her university. Within 4 days, she was tried and executed by guillotine. Her last words: "What does my death matter if through us, thousands are awakened?" She didn't carry a gun, just truth and courage. And yet, you've probably never heard her name. Now ask yourself,